In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in ClickUp. We're going to walk through this from start to finish, so even if you're new to ClickUp, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll have a task that automatically repeats on the schedule you choose, which is perfect for things like weekly reports, monthly check-ins, or daily habits. First, make sure you're in the right place inside ClickUp. Navigate to the space and folder where you want the task to live, and open your list view. This is where you can see your tasks in a simple list layout, which makes it easy to add and manage them. Once you're in your list view, look for the option to add a new task. Usually, this appears near the top or bottom of your list as an Add Task button. Click that to create a brand new task. Next, give your task a clear, descriptive name. Type directly into the task name field. Try to use a title that makes sense at a glance, like Weekly Team Update or Monthly Invoice Review, so that when it recurs, you always know exactly what it's for. Now, you'll want to decide who is responsible for this task. Look for the assignee icon, typically shown as a person or a head and shoulders silhouette. Click on that icon to open the list of people in your workspace. From there, click on the person or people you want to assign the task to. You can assign it to yourself or to a teammate, depending on who needs to complete it each time it recurs. With the assignee set, it's time to choose when the task is due. Click on the due date icon, which usually looks like a calendar. This opens up the date picker. Here you'll see an option called Set Recurring. Click on Set Recurring to start configuring how often this task should repeat. You'll now see a drop-down that lets you choose the recurrence pattern. Click on the drop-down and decide whether you want it to be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or based on a certain number of days after completion. You can also create a custom schedule if you need something more specific, like every second Tuesday or certain days of the week. Below that, you'll see empty checkboxes that control how the recurrence behaves. Click on these boxes to choose options such as having the task recur forever, ending after a certain point, or skipping weekends. Adjust these settings to match how you actually work, especially if you don't want tasks to land on Saturdays or Sundays. When you're happy with all of your choices, click on Save. This locks in your recurring settings and saves the task. From now on, ClickUp will automatically generate the task according to the schedule you just set, so you don't have to remember to recreate